If you're looking to permanently delete your YouTube channel, then you clicked on the right video. I'm going to be showing you how you can permanently delete your YouTube channel, or if you wanted to just hide it, you can do that too. Here's how it's done. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. And what the heck is this? All right, from there, what I want you to do is go to your profile picture here. It makes sure you are on the right account you do want to delete. If you're not, you can go to switch accounts and choose the account there. So we'll just stay on this account. And then from there, you're gonna go to YouTube Studio. And then we're gonna go down to settings over here on the left side. And then click on channel. And then we're gonna go to advanced settings. Then you scroll all the way down and we're gonna click on remove YouTube account. I'm not going to do any of this because I don't want to remove my account or anything like that or have a chance of it happening. But you go to remove YouTube account. From there, it's going to make you log in to your account. And then after that, you're just going to have to put in your channel name and then you'll be able to remove it, or you can hide it from there. Now that you know how you can permanently delete your YouTube channel, check out this playlist over here that I made for you. I have other great videos just like this that'll help you along your YouTube journey. And if you haven't subscribed already, hit this button over here. Don't miss any future content that I have coming out for you.